For an app or a salad, I really like to do just like a simple buttermilk bib lettuce salad. It's something that most people will like. It's something that's really simple and it's something that's really quick to make. This is all the ingredients that we'll be using for our salad dressing. I'm starting by stripping and roughly chopping about 1/8 of a cup of tarragon and 1/4 cup of chives with a single clove of garlic. We're then adding 1/2 cup of buttermilk to a blender, along with our chopped garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons of champagne vinegar or lemon juice, our herbs, blend while adding 1/8 cup of olive oil, and salt to taste. I'm then taking half the leaves off my butter bib by breaking them from the base of the stem. For one of the garnishy bits, I'm slicing a radish on a mandolin paper thin, then placing it into cold water. Then I'm giving our lettuce a good splash of our dressing with some salt and pepper. We're then going to give it a good toss and layer it on our plate to give it some height. Then add a few of our radishes and sprinkle the table with some pomegranate seeds. Finish the salad with some black olives and some Parmesan because I'm a cheese slut. Noms, noms, noms.